Full of nutrition, rich in spices and even richer in taste. This jackfruit curry or Kathal ki sabzi is an Indian curry like no other. Let's get started. In a pressure cooker, I am taking 4 cups of water to boil the raw jackfruit or kathal. In goes half a kg of chopped kathal. Jackfruit pulp is tough by nature and boiling it until tender before preparing the curry makes it easier to cook and saves time. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt for quick cooking and it's time to close the lid. We will let the jackfruit pressure cook for 2 whistles on a high flame. The pressure has cooled down. Let's check. Tender from inside yet not mushy, boiled perfectly. Let's drain out the water. Next, in a pan, I am taking 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil has heated, I am adding the boiled jackfruit to fry for a couple of minutes. While this process is not necessary, it will surely enhance the texture and the flavor of the kathal. This is done. Time to cook the curry. In a pan, I am taking 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing, 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 3 finely chopped onions. Let's saute for a minute. Next goes in 1 green chilli chopped. Next, I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Let's saute the spices for a minute. I am adding next puree of 3 tomatoes. Stir this in. Add 2 tablespoons of whisked curd. Mix and saute until the gravy releases oil. 1 tablespoon of dry mango powder, 1½ teaspoon of salt and the fried kathal. Bring the kathal and the gravy together. Now I am adding 1 cup of water and letting this cook with the lid on for 5 minutes on low flame. Time to check. Kathal ki sabzi or jackfruit curry is ready. Let's serve. The last touch of garnish with coriander leaves and we are done. You can enjoy it with rice or roti. Either way, it tastes amazing. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.